everyone, welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I will take you to Xiangxi village in Shanghai for eating anime sauce. This time we will pass through overpass. Because there is no taxi, take everyone to take the $2 bus. Exit the gate, go forward and turn right. You will see the bus stop. Check with the driver first. Number 84 bus. Get off at Sunshine Hotel Station. Sunshine Hotel Station. Get out of the car and go forward. You will see a fountain. Walk across. Arrive at Xiangxi village. I took pictures of the situation in the village for everyone to see. More than 80% of the stores are open. This restaurant has many years of history. This time we go to the food stall for dinner. At the end of the street, you will see hidden epics. There is an intersection at opposite side. When you enter, you will see many food stalls. I have never tried this restaurant. Saw a lot of banners, so give it a try. Charcoal grilled fish, relatively rare. This is sizzling offal. The appearance is attractive. This is fried snails. The sauce is okay, but very little meat. This is fried rice noodles with beef. The standard is low. The standard of food is only average, but the atmosphere is very good. You can come and feel it if you have time. $139 per 90 minutes massage. The price is reasonable. I get up at 8 o'clock. I really want to eat hot pot. Take you to a 24-hour hot pot restaurant. After going north, go left for body band eaters and you will arrive at Xiangxi pork belly chicken. Preferred beef. Only need $42, much cheaper than Hong Kong. Plus their soup. Meaty. Very rich taste. Clay pot rice with cured meat, must try. Distinct rice grain, suitable sauce. With golden brown rice. It only costs $68, enough for 3-4 people to enjoy. Return to Hong Kong with a satisfied mood. Hope you enjoy this presentation. Thanks for watching.
如果大家鍾意我頻道，希望你可以訂閱同埋撳埋通知嘅啷啷，咁先唔會錯過影片嘅更新。多謝大家。